Life is full of financial decisions. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or nearing retirement, managing your money can be overwhelming. Saving is good, but in today's world, is it enough? Inflation eats away at your savings. What if your money could grow while you sleep? Welcome to the world of mutual funds. Hi, I'm host name. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of mutual funds. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand or invest in them. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new home, or your retirement, this guide is for you. Let's start your journey to financial freedom. Let me simplify it for you. A mutual fund is like a potluck dinner. Everyone contributes a little money, and the fund manager, like the head chef, ensures the money is invested wisely in a mix of financial dishes or assets like stocks, bonds, and more. This diversity reduces risk and helps everyone benefit. Meet Ravi, a young professional. 5 years ago, he deposited his savings into a traditional bank account, earning minimal interest. Meanwhile, his friend Priya invested in a mutual fund. Let's see what happened. The difference? Priya's money was working for her. She took advantage of compound growth, earning interest on her interest, while Ravi's savings barely kept up with inflation. Pooling allows individual investors to access a diversified portfolio that would otherwise be expensive or impossible to build alone. Imagine trying to buy an entire car versus sharing a ride. Mutual funds give you a rideshare experience with investments. Fund managers monitor the market, make data-driven decisions, and adjust investments to optimize returns. Did you know you can start with as little as $10? Mutual funds make investing accessible to everyone, whether you're a student or a CEO. Now, let's explore the types of mutual funds. Think of this as a marketplace. Each stall offers a different type of fund tailored to different goals. Equity funds primarily invest in stocks. They offer high growth potential, but come with higher risk. These are ideal for long-term goals like retirement or buying a house. Rahul invested in an equity fund at age 25. Despite market ups and downs, his portfolio grew significantly over 15 years. If equity funds are the roller coaster of investments, debt funds are the merry-go-round, steady, reliable, and low risk. These are perfect for short-term goals or risk-averse investors. Neha saved for her wedding in 3 years using debt funds. She prioritized safety over high returns. Balanced funds combine equity and debt. They're ideal for moderate risk takers who want a mix of growth and stability. Ravi wanted to grow his money but was wary of high risks. A balanced fund met his needs perfectly. Think of this table as your guide to picking the right fund. Your choice depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. By spreading your investments across various assets, mutual funds reduce the impact of poor performance in one area. While you're working or relaxing, fund managers are making informed decisions on your behalf. Even students can invest with small amounts. Start small, but start early. Mutual funds offer easy access to your money when you need it.